Hello, I'm Denise Turgeon with eXp Realty. I'm so excited to show you this Somerville model home in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This home is being sold turnkey and features many upgrades. A home like this is very hard to find in Heritage Landing. This home also includes a pool and the coveted golf membership. Let's go take a look. Golfer or not, you'll enjoy the breathtaking view of the 16th fairway at one of Southwest Florida's top-rated golf courses. You'll also feel hurricane safe with impact windows and doors and a motorized hurricane shade. Contact us today to arrange your private showing. Again, Homes by the Turgeons at eXp Realty.